Hello, we are E for everyone, and this is lesson 2, keyboard part 1. So, a keyboard is a panel. The official definition of a keyboard is a panel of keys that operate a computer or typewriter. So, and if you as you can see on this computer, it's a more complicated version, but it serves the purpose. So, there's different letters that you can type with, and if you type it, it sends a signal to the computer, and it converts that signal to in data that is shown on the screen as the letter you typed. So if you press F, F will show up on the screen. And there are other functions. So let's see. You have the function keys up here, which we will get into later. But they basically serve different functions. Like if you press down, for example, if you press the F1 key, it usually pulls up a help screen, and if you press the F5 key, it usually refreshes the screen, which we'll get into later. And there's number keys on the left, arrow keys for moving around the screen or like around the page. For instance, if we exit here, like if I'm pressing arrow keys right now, so if you go press the left one, it goes left. If you go press up, so if you press up, it goes up. If you press down, it goes down. If you get the point. Anyways, and number keys, which are the same thing but for numbers. So there's two versions, one up here and one down here. And various other keys, page up, page down, self-explanatory. And yeah, and also there's the control key, which gives you more functions and commands. It's like is what we call them. So it lets you copy. It lets you copy words and then you can paste them. So if you press Control C, and then select something, Control C, that's how you copy it. Control V, press them simultaneously, and then it will paste what you just selected. Alt key stands for alternate, and is also used in commands. The Tab key is serves many purposes. For instance, one purpose is to move around the screen. For example, if I go here and the Tab key, right? So you press Tab and it's here, moves it around. So yeah, where is it now? But yeah, basically it moves it around. The what you select, and what else do you have? You have the caps lock. It's not clear in this because it's a gaming keyboard for playing games, but this is the caps lock, which toggles the capitalization feature. So and it makes anything you type capitalized if you like tap at once. And this is the shift key, which is using commands, and also as long as you hold it, it makes the letters capitalized too. And the enter key moves it down a bit. So if I press enter here, it moves it down, and it provides a whole line of space. And yeah, I think those are the basics. Those are the basics. We'll get into more detail later. So yeah.